Hi everyone, and welcome back to Smart Gadgets. Today's video is all about the hottest news in the tech world, the Google Pixel 9 series launch and leaks. Buckle up, because Google is bringing some serious heat this August. As you might already know, Google has been killing it in the smartphone game with its Pixel series. Last year's Pixel Fold was a huge hit, and it looks like Google is taking things to a whole new level with the Pixel 9 series. Here's a quick rundown of what we can expect based on some exciting leaks. First up, we're getting not just 2, but 4 new Pixel phones. That's right, the rumor mill suggests Google is launching the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and wait for it, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. This is huge news, especially for foldable phone fans in India, as it seems the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will be making its way to the Indian market for the first time ever. Now, let's talk design. Leaks suggest that the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro will stick to the familiar design language that we've seen in previous Pixels. However, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is rumored to have a slightly bigger screen and a revamped camera bump. The real showstopper, though, is the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. It's expected to have a similar design to the Pixel Fold, but with some improvements under the hood. Speaking of under the hood, let's talk about the most anticipated leak. Pricing. Here's what we're looking at. Pixel 9, starting at €899, 82,000 rupees approximately. Pixel 9 Pro, starting at €1,099, 100,000 rupees approximately. Pixel 9 Pro XL, starting at €1,199, 110,000 rupees approximately. Pixel 9 Pro Fold, starting at €1,899, 173,000 rupees approximately. These are just leaked prices, so take them with a grain of salt. But if they're true, then the Pixel 9 series seems to be competitively priced, especially considering the rumored upgrades. Overall, the Google Pixel 9 series is shaping up to be a very exciting launch. With 4 new phones, including the highly anticipated Pixel 9 Pro Fold, Google seems to be catering to a wider range of users. The leaked prices also suggest that these phones could be strong contenders in their respective segments. Of course, these are just leaks, and we'll have to wait for the official launch on August 13th to know for sure. But in the meantime, what are your thoughts on the Google Pixel 9 series? Are you excited about the Pixel 9 Pro Fold coming to India? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tech news and updates.